Hello everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we are going to be making these dimensional butterfly stickers. These are from a printable kit in my Etsy shop and also a freebie that is available in my Facebook group, and I'll put links down below for those things. And to make these stickers, I used Cricut Design Space to cut them out, but you don't have to do that. You can just print them on sticker paper and hand cut them if you want. But today I'm going to really quickly show you how I use Design Space to make my stickers. So let's get started. Okay, so I have Design Space open and I'm going to start a new project. And then I'm going to upload my file. And I've already got them down here because I used them earlier, but we're going to go ahead and just start from scratch like we haven't already uploaded yet. So what you want to do is upload an image, and you can drag and drop it, or you can go find it with the browse button. And I'm going to go to my desktop and new folder. There we go. And I choose that and say open. And then it's going to ask about the complexity of my image. I always choose complex. Continue. And then it wants you to select and erase the white space, and this will tell it where to cut. So what you want to do is go over here and zoom out a little bit and go ahead and just click on the white space. And look at your image to make sure that you got all the white space erased that you want, and go ahead and hit continue. And I'm creating a print then cut image. And then I want to click upload. Okay, and then I want to go ahead and choose my image from recent uploads, and I'm going to click add to canvas. And you can see that it's really large right now, and you know that it's too large to print when you see this little exclamation point over here. And if I click on that, it says the image is too large and I have to reduce it to 6.75 by 9.25 inches. Don't let that scare you into thinking, oh, it's going to be way too small. It won't be. It'll still work out pretty good. So I'm going to move this up here to the 0, corner. And then this is where you can adjust the size. I'm going to go ahead and just type in 8 inches right here. And that gets me kind of close. And then I'm going to drag it until, okay, you can see this little exclamation point showed up again. So that means it's too big. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller until that goes away. There we go. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you can see what it'll look like on your mat, and click Continue. And I'm going to send it to my printer, and right now is a good time to make sure you have sticker paper in your printer. Alright, and then it asks if I want to add bleed, and I do not, because this fussy cut image already has a border around it, a really light border. And then print. And my Cricut wasn't connected, so I'm going to go ahead and choose it and connect it. And I've already printed, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then it wants me to choose the material I'm using. And you can browse materials by clicking on this, but I've already got my favorite ones selected over here. I clicked this little star next to them, and that selected them, so you can see. Like if you like glitter cardstock, you can come click this star right here, and then that'll become a permanent thing in your queue. So I choose sticky note paper when I do stickers because I feel like the cut is better. It'll cut through without going all the way through the paper. And then you're ready to load into your machine. I'm using Avery 8.5 by 11 white sticker paper. And we're going to go ahead and just pull our stickers out of our printer. And we're going to head over to the Cricut machine. And these just go up in the corner of our sticky mat, just like this. And I might need 2 hands to do this. So hang on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our stickers and place them in the machine. underneath the guides, just like this. There we go. There we go. Okay. And you press the blinking button. And then you press the other blinking button. Okay, and it's going in. And what's going to happen is the sensor is going to start reading the black guidelines. And then it's going to start cutting. Okay, and when it's finished cutting, just press the blinking button to unload your mat. And there we go. We've got stickers. You can see where it cut around each one. And a trick to get them off your mat is to roll it upside down, just turn it over, and roll the mat away from the stickers, and that will keep the stickers from rolling up. So let's take a look at the printables that we're going to be using today. First, we've got this Fussy Cut butterfly scraps from my Etsy shop. And then we also have this butterfly freebie from my Facebook page. And I went ahead and cut these out on the Cricut as well. So what we're going to do is take our butterflies and just fold them on either side of the butterfly's body, just like this. And you can see how that works. And then we're going to go ahead and just take some regular glue and apply it like so right in the middle. And then we're going to glue this on top of the matching image on our stickers. And I printed these butterflies on cardstock, just so you know. I use 110-pound Pen+Gear cardstock. And there you go. We have a dimensional butterfly, and we're going to go ahead and do a couple more. Okay. And when your butterflies are all dry, you can peel off your stickers and you can use them in your craft project, or in my case, junk journal. And there you go. Alright guys, it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.